Hello guys, good day everyone. This is the Creator's Lodge and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button so when next I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you. Alright guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys something very important for every creative designer, every graphic designer. This is something you need to know. This is something you need to be aware of. Alright, so and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get quality images for your designs. Alright, one of the elements of design that will make your design stand out is quality image. When you make use of quality images on your design will stand out. I see some designs that has good good look, but then when you look at the images used on the design, you will see that the images are not quality enough. So it is very important for every graphic designer to know how to get quality images for their designs, and that is why I'm going to be showing you guys some websites that I make use of whenever I want to get quality designs, quality images for my designs. All right guys, let's check out these websites. Okay, so the first website is called freepik.com. So this is it, www.freepik.com. So the first website is called freepik.com. Now once you open the Freepik website, what you need to do is to just create an account. Now the reason why mine is showing this way is because I changed my device mode to desktop site. Can you see that the desktop site is marked here? So when you open yours, it might not be on desktop mode. Let me just change it from desktop mode. So when you open yours, this is the way it will look. All right, so once you open this, so you can decide to change to desktop mode from here. Now what you need to do is to just create an account. At the top here you will see this place. You click on it. So once you click on it, you can create an account, but for me, I already have an account. All right, now Freepik is a website that helps you to download amazing images, amazing PSD files. All right, that's Photoshop files, amazing vector images. All right, now at this place on Freepik, you can create an account, but I already have an account, so I've been doing that. Now at this point here, once you click this place, you are going to see assets. This is simply saying all the assets in Freepik. Once you search, Freepik will find the asset for you. All right, and you can see collection. This collection here, it shows you collections of images you've saved. All right, and then you see vector. If you are looking for vector images, you click on vector. You click on photo. If you're looking for photo, you click on icon. If you're looking for icon, you click on videos. You can even get videos. All right, short videos. All right, and then you click on PSD if you're looking for PSD. And if you're looking for AI images, all right, Freepik is a website that helps you to also download AI images. All right, artificial intelligence images. All right, now you can click on it, AI. All right, and then you click on this for free. But once it is on asset, once you click on asset, automatically whatever you're looking for is going to come up. All right, so let's say I'm looking for let's search for sneakers. No, let's not search for sneakers, let's search for pizza. All right, let's search for pizza. I'm just going to search pizza. You can decide to search pizza JPEG. All right, JPEG simply means that you want only the image, you don't want the PSD. All right, so you can search pizza JPEG. All right, so and I'm also going to be showing you guys something very important here. Let's assume, for instance, when you search pizza, a lot of images is going to display. All right, after searching pizza. So these are the images, but I'm just going to change my phone to desktop mode so that we can view a lot of images at a go. All right, so yeah, okay, so I'm just going to, I want a wider view of the images. All right, so you can see these are amazing pizza images that you can download. Can you see? Amazing. Now the only issue with Freepik is that any image you see that has this crown icon, what it means is that you can't download that image in the free version. You have to subscribe to Freepik Premium. And another amazing thing about Freepik is that few years ago, Freepik do not have AI images. All right, but recently Freepik has inculcated AI images on their website. So you can see this is AI anyone you see AI, it means that it is AI that's created that image. So they inserted the prompt and AI brought the image. So you can see this is AI image. You can see that it's amazing. So you click on whichever image you want to download. Once you click on it, another important thing about Freepik is that once you click on it, so you can see this image, all you need to do is to come here, you see download, you click on download. Once you click on download, it's going to ask you go premium or free download. Then you click on free download and your JPEG will download. Now, whenever you click on images on Freepik, always look at this place. You will see file. If it's only JPEG, if it's an image, it's going to write JPEG. But if it's PSD or ESV, you are going to see it here. Now, if it's PSD or ESV, once you download it, you will not be able to see it as a JPEG file. You are not going to see the image on your device. It's going to download as a zip file because it is carrying PSD or ESV. Those are Photoshop files, or files that can only be accessed using your laptop or your computer device. All right, so there is a way to access it with your smartphone, and that's what I want to show you guys also. Now, another thing is that at the top here, you're going to see original. At the top, you see original, you see remove background, you see expand, you see retouch, you see imagine, and then you see more AI tool. So these are amazing features that Freepik has added to their website. So if you want to remove the background of an image, you can click remove background. All right, but usually sometimes the remove background of the Freepik site is not as perfect sometimes as Photoroom, but sometimes it can give you what you want. All right, so once you click, let's click on remove background. It's going to take a little while, so it's just going to roll, and it's going to remove the background. But for some images, Freepik will remove the background perfectly well, and then for some images it won't be perfect. So you can decide to use Freepik, and you can decide to use Photoroom to remove your background. Now you can see that the background is removed, but you can see that some parts of this this image is cut out. So that's the reason why I say sometimes it's not really as perfect. Now I want to show you guys how to save images that are like JPEG, PSD, how to save them as JPEG. All right, so let's look for another. Let me search man making call. So you just type your prompt on the search bar, and then it's going to load a lot of images. Now you can see this image, but let me search it as man making call, and let me search for PSD. The reason why I'm searching for PSD is that I want to show you guys some images that are in PSD format. So let's check out this image. So I'm going to click this image. Now let's see if this image is in PSD. No, this is in JPEG. So let's look for a PSD image. I want to show you guys something very important. These are all JPEG. Let me change the search to PSD. Let me change to PSD and let me search again. I want PSD specifically. So let's check this out. Yeah, so now you can see this image is loading. You can see for this image, you can see the file type. You will see JPEG, you will see PNG, and then you will see PSD. Now once I download this, it's not going to download as image, it's going to download as a zip file. It's going to download as a zip file. Now I'm trying to download it. Now let's check the details of the download. All right, 85 megabytes. So let's just wait for a little while for it to download. So what I want to show you guys, if you are familiar with Zarchiver, if you have followed my previous tutorial, I have a tutorial on how to extract fonts using Zarchiver. So if you have not watched that video, please do well to watch that video. That video will give you insight on what I want to show you guys now, because sometimes you are going to see some amazing images in Freepik that you wish to use, but then when you click on download, it's not only a JPEG file. Once you download it, it's going to download as a zip file. Maybe it's downloading as ESV, PSD, zip files. So there is a way for you to extract the JPEG, just the JPEG. So it's done downloading. Now you click open. immediately you click open, it's going to open through your Zarchiver. Alright, if you have Zarchiver already on your device, once you click open, it's going to open through your Zarchiver. Let's go back again. I'm going to show you guys something. Now let me go to my downloads. Alright, once you click on downloads, you are going to see this is what we just downloaded here. Alright, this is what we just downloaded. This is medium short man practicing. But when you come to Freepik, when you come to this Freepik here, this is the image we clicked. It's not downloading as JPEG like this. You can see that what we downloaded is showing like a file. You are seeing that it's showing like a zip file. You can see zip file. So what you need to do, download the Zarchiver application. Once you download it, install it in your device. Now once you install it, once you click on this file, automatically it will open in Zarchiver, or it's going to request your permission to open it through the application. So I'm going to click on it. It's opening through my Zarchiver. Now Zarchiver is giving me the opportunity to see the JPEG of this image. It's giving me the opportunity to see the PNG of this image, and it's also giving me the opportunity to see the PSD of this image. So whenever you download any image on Freepik and you see that image, after downloading it, it's not coming up as image, you are supposed to see the image but it's not showing up as image, what you need to do is to open it in Zarchiver. So now you can see that this is JPEG. I'll just click on the JPEG and then I'll click open. Now once I click open, at this bottom here, this is my device. For your device it might not be here, but this is my device. So I will click here. I want to save this image into my gallery, so I'll just click save. You can see adding photos save to gallery. So I've saved this photo. I don't need to be disturbing myself about this other PSD file. Now I've been able to save just this JPEG, and then you can click this PNG also. You open. Alright, this is the PNG. Can you see this is PNG? So I can click save also, and then I save to my gallery. So that is how you save it. For some of you, your device, your own might be a 3 dot at the top here. You can click on that 3 dot and then you will see something like save to gallery or save to photos. So you click save and it's automatically save. So that is how you save images that have multiple files format in the Freepik application. So whatever you are looking for on the Freepik application, you can find it. If you are looking for vector images, you can just search vector images. All right, and then if you're looking for icons, you can search it. So look at vector images. You can see a lot of vector images here. And then let's go to icon. Let's search for 3D icons. All right, 3D icons are amazing icons that you can use. So you just click on 3D icons and then you click search, and then it's going to bring a lot of 3D icons for you. All right, so this is the first site. Now the second site is the Unsplash. All right, this is Unsplash, unsplash.com. Unsplash.com is also another website that helps you download quality images. All right, so you can see this is an image here. I can just click this image. All right, and once I click this image, at the top here, you're going to see download free, but click this arrow, this drop down arrow. Once you click on it, you are going to see small, you're going to see medium, you're going to see large, you're going to see original. Now always download the one that has the highest pixels. All right, that has the highest format. So for instance, this small, you see 640 times 800, medium 1920 times 2400. But then when you come to this original size, you see that this original size is the highest format. This is 4480 by 5600. So once you download this, it will come out very sharp. Once you download it, it's going to be very sharp once you download this image. So Unsplash is another website, and then you can search here. You can search for anything you want to search for. Let's assume maybe flower. You can search for flower. On site will give you flower images. You can search for real estate. It's going to give you but usually I don't do more of Unsplash because sometimes Unsplash don't give me the exact things that I want. So you can see real estate images on Unsplash. All right, so usually I make use of Freepik. Now there's another website also that is called Pixabay. All right, there's another website called Pixabay. Now Pixabay is also, now all these websites I'm giving you, these are websites that can help you download premium images. I mean that the images that the qualities are very sharp. All right, now and this is Pixabay. All right, this is Pixabay. You can download a lot of images here. all you need to do, whatever image you are looking for, you search for it and you download. And another advantage in Pixabay is that you can download vector videos. You can download videos, all right, videos that short videos that you can use, free videos, maybe intro. You want to do intro for maybe your website, or stuff like that. These are videos that you can download, short videos. All right. Now the next website is Pexels. All right, pexels.com. Once you click on pexels.com, pexels.com is a website that helps you to download premium images also. All right, pexels.com. I think the website, okay, so pexels.com, this is pexels.com. all right, it's a website that also helps you to download premium images, so you can see amazing images. You can click on the search button and search whichever image you are looking for, that you want to download. All right, now the next website is PNG. all right, pngwing.com. pngwing.com. Now pngwing.com is solely a website to download PNG files. So you can see PNG files, whatever PNG file you want to download. pngwing.com is a website that can help you download those files. All right, but sometimes you might search for some files and you will not see them in PNGwing. So what it means is that that file is not available in PNGwing, and PNGwing actually gives you quality images, vector images, quality vector images. All right, so PNGwing is a site that you can harness and you can download as multiple files as you want. All right, as multiple files as you want. Now the next website is PNGtree.com. Now the only disadvantage of PNGtree.com is that if you are in the free mode, you are entitled to just 2 downloads per day. PNGtree helps you to download PNG images, and you can also download images that has background, amazing images. But the issue is that PNGtree helps you to download just 2 images in your free version. If you want to download more than 2 images, you can decide to, if you have more than one email account, if you have like 3 email accounts, it means that you can log in the PNGtree with your 3 different email accounts, meaning that you have 2 downloads for one account, 2 downloads for the other, 2 downloads. That's like you have 6 downloads per day for your 3 accounts. So you can decide to make use of 3 accounts in order for you to make use of PNGtree. So PNGtree also has amazing, look at amazing, so amazing images, and you can click the search icon and search for amazing images that you want. Look at the search icon, you search for amazing images that you want, and it will be delivered. All right, now guys, there are amazing websites. All right, there are a lot of websites that you can download premium images from, but for the sake of this tutorial, I've limited it to these websites, and these are the websites I make use of whenever I want to do my designs. These are the websites I download images from. So guys, please, from today, don't make use of images that are not quality again. Please don't make use of images that are not sharp again. Please opt in for images that are quality. One thing that distinguishes your design from other designs is the quality of your design, is the quality of the images you make use of in your design. So if you are the type that you don't like making use of quality images for your design, please just know that your design won't really go far. Clients won't really pay attention to you. So starting from today, after watching this video, start making use of this website, and I look forward to seeing your amazing designs. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please do well to share the link to other creatives out there so that they can watch this video and learn something new. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. See you guys in my next tutorial.